Framer pages not showing on your website? Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when everything looks fine in the editor. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step. All right? First, try republishing your site. Sometimes new pages don't go live until you hit publish again. Next, check if your page is actually set to visible. If it's hidden or in draft mode, it won't show on your live site. Now, look at your navigation menu. Yeah, if your page isn't linked there, users won't be able to find it. Okay? Make sure your page has a proper URL slug. If it's missing or incorrect, the page might not load. If your page uses CMS, check the conditions and filters. Wrong settings can hide your content completely. Next, clear your browser cache and do a hard refresh. Yeah, sometimes you're just seeing an old version of your site, and open your site on another device or browser. This helps confirm if it's a local issue or not. If it's still not showing, try duplicating the page and publish again. This can fix weird bugs instantly. So yeah, that's how you fix Framer pages not showing. One of these steps should get your pages live again pretty quickly. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.